Serikal mapacho ka kwayo riwruoge ma kanise mondo riwre mar jiwo jopiny mondo konyie chudo mar gope mag SHA mondo gin bende ginyal chulo gope mag osiptende mantiere pacho ka. Jagoro maduong' e migawo mar thieth Uma Oluga nogolo kwayo makamano tok Archbishop mar kanisa ma Kopere Anthony Muheria yuago chal marach e osiptande ma Kanise. Jotelo ariyogo ne loso e nyasi mar sidho simbo jopuonjre ka tiegruok mar Consolata Medical College.
As we celebrate the 37 entertainers, that is
respect, selflessness.
Those difficulties that we are facing, our peers, let's find ways we can address them. Let's find ways that do not have to be loud, don't have to be acrimonious. Listen to when we feel that the world, the rock is pressing us and crushing us. A little bit of relief is in order. You have a big voice every Sunday in the platforms, in the pews. If we work together in building the domestic resource that we need to finance healthcare, that way we will not fail our obligation to support hospitals, including the hospitals like Consolata Madari.